How to use In-Kind Gift Card 2025 method. You won't believe how simple it is to redeem an In-Kind gift card when you know the proper steps. Most people get this wrong because they try using the card like a regular debit card. But the surprising truth is that it must be applied within the In-Kind app or website for purchases at participating businesses. First, log into your In-Kind account or create one if you don't have it. Navigate to the gift card section and enter the card number and PIN if applicable. The balance will be applied to your account immediately. When making a purchase, the In-Kind balance can be selected as a payment method. If the purchase exceeds your balance, you can pay the remaining amount with another payment option. Always check the participating merchant list, as the card cannot be used everywhere. Additionally, monitor the balance and expiration dates within your account. In-Kind allows partial redemptions, so you don't need to spend the full amount at once. In conclusion, the In-Kind gift card is easy to use once redeemed in the app or website. Keep track of your balance, use it with participating merchants, and enjoy the convenience of prepaid spending.